Wesley. Today's idiom of the day is the early bird catches the worm. It means that the person who takes the earliest opportunity to do something will gain the advantage over others. And let me give you some example sentences. John woke up at 5 a.m. this morning to finish his project on time. The early bird catches the worm. Or you might say, the job market is extremely competitive. The early bird catches the worm, so make sure you start the day bright and early. And that's it. Today's idiom of the day. The early bird catches the worm. Thank you.